We all dream of financial freedom. It's a universal aspiration, a vision of a life where money is no longer a constant source of stress. Imagine living life on your own terms without the constant worry of money. Picture waking up each day knowing that your financial future is secure, allowing you to focus on what truly matters to you. It might seem impossible, especially if you're starting with nothing in the bank. The idea of building wealth from scratch can be daunting, and it's easy to feel discouraged. But I'm here to tell you that it's not. Financial freedom is within your reach, no matter where you're starting from. It's about taking the first step and believing in the possibility. Building $1 million portfolio in 5 years is an ambitious goal, but it's achievable with the right mindset and strategies. It requires dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. The key is to break this big dream into smaller, manageable steps. Each step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal, making the journey less overwhelming and more attainable. Don't get overwhelmed by the enormity of the goal. Instead, focus on the progress you can make each day. Small, consistent actions can lead to significant results over time. Focus on what you can control today, tomorrow, and the next day. Your daily financial decisions, no matter how small, play a crucial role in your overall success. Consistency, combined with smart financial decisions, is your recipe for success. It's about making informed choices and sticking to them, even when the going gets tough. Remember, you don't need a windfall or inheritance to make this happen. Many people have achieved financial freedom through hard work, smart planning, and perseverance. This is about empowering yourself with knowledge and taking action. Educate yourself about personal finance, investments, and wealth-building strategies. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make sound financial decisions. It's about creating a solid plan and sticking to it, even when things get tough. There will be challenges along the way, but with a clear plan and determination, you can overcome them. This is your journey to financial independence. It's a path that requires effort and commitment, but the rewards are well worth it. Imagine the freedom and peace of mind that come with financial security. Are you ready to begin? The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today and start building the future you deserve. Before you even think about investing, you need a clear destination. Just like a traveler needs a map to reach their destination, you need a financial map to guide you towards your financial goals. In other words, you need well-defined financial goals. These goals act as your financial compass, steering you in the right direction and helping you make informed decisions. What does $1 million represent for you? Is it early retirement? Imagine the freedom of not having to work and spending your days doing what you love. Financial security for your family. Picture your loved ones living comfortably without the stress of financial worries. The freedom to pursue your passions. Think about the joy of dedicating time to your hobbies and interests without financial constraints. Write down your goals and be specific. The more detailed your goals, the clearer your path will be. Instead of saying, "I want to be rich," say, "I want to have a net worth of $1 million in 5 years." This specificity transforms a vague desire into a tangible target. A specific goal is measurable and gives you something concrete to work towards. It allows you to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Break down your big goal into smaller milestones. These milestones act as stepping stones, making the journey less overwhelming and more manageable. How much do you need to save and invest each month to reach your target? Calculate the monthly contributions required and stick to your plan. These mini goals will keep you motivated and on track. Each milestone you achieve will bring you one step closer to your ultimate goal. Remember, your goals are your roadmap to success. They provide direction and purpose, ensuring you stay focused on your financial journey. They will guide your decisions and help you stay focused when you face obstacles. Challenges are inevitable, but with clear goals, you can navigate through them with confidence. So, take the time to define them clearly. Discuss your goals with a financial advisor if needed, and ensure they align with your long-term vision. Your financial future depends on it. The sooner you set your goals, the sooner you can start working towards them, securing a prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones.
Building wealth, brick by brick. Real estate for beginners. Real estate is another fantastic avenue for building long-term wealth. It's a tangible asset that can provide both income and appreciation. Don't believe the myth that you need to be rich to invest in real estate. There are plenty of options for first-time buyers, even with limited capital. Consider starting with a duplex or a small multi-family property. Live in one unit and rent out the others. This way, your tenants can help cover your mortgage payments while your property appreciates in value. Remember to do your due diligence before investing in any property. Research the local market, get a professional inspection, and understand the responsibilities of being a landlord.
Cryptocurrency, a high-risk, high-reward frontier. This digital gold rush has captivated the attention of investors worldwide, promising astronomical gains but also posing significant risks. Cryptocurrency is the new kid on the block, and it's certainly made a splash. While it offers the potential for high returns, it's also incredibly volatile. Prices can swing dramatically within hours, making it a thrilling yet nerve-wracking investment. Before you dive into the world of Bitcoin and Ethereum, educate yourself on the fundamentals of blockchain technology and how cryptocurrencies work. Blockchain is the underlying technology that powers these digital currencies, ensuring transparency and security in transactions. Understand the risks involved, including the potential for scams and market manipulation. The anonymity and lack of regulation in the crypto space make it a breeding ground for fraudulent schemes. Always do your due diligence before investing. If you decide to invest in cryptocurrency, approach it with a long-term mindset. The market is still in its infancy, and while short-term gains can be tempting, holding onto your assets for the long haul might yield better results. Don't get caught up in the hype or FOMO, fear of missing out. It's easy to be swayed by stories of overnight millionaires, but remember that for every success story, there are countless tales of loss. Invest only what you can afford to lose and be prepared for a bumpy ride. The crypto market is notoriously unpredictable, and prices can plummet just as quickly as they rise. Remember, diversification is key. Don't put all your eggs in the cryptocurrency basket. Diversification helps spread risk and can protect your portfolio from the extreme volatility of the crypto market. Balance your portfolio with more traditional investments like stocks and real estate. These assets tend to be more stable and can provide a safety net against the wild swings of the crypto market. By blending traditional and digital assets, you can create a more resilient investment strategy. Take the time to research different cryptocurrency projects. Not all digital currencies are created equal, and some have more potential than others. Look into the team behind the project, their vision, and the technology they are developing. Stay updated with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency world. The market moves quickly, and being informed can help you make better investment decisions. Follow reputable sources and join online communities to stay in the loop. Consider consulting with a financial advisor who has experience with cryptocurrencies. They can provide valuable insights and help you navigate this complex and rapidly evolving market. Remember, while the potential rewards are high, so are the risks. Approach cryptocurrency investment with caution and a well-thought-out strategy.